Good morning, guys. It's 7:22. I'm not supposed to be up right now, but I'm up. My sleep cracked since about 5:36. I've been up. I slept at about 1:30 last night. Phew. So sleep is an issue, but I'm heading to the gym. So I was planning to hit only the 9:30 dance class, but because I slept late. But now my sleep was like the chicken last night was late, 10:45 p.m. But I don't know what to do about it now. Like I was really hungry because the show got cancelled at 9:30. My dinner got like I had some only rice to eat, so I was really hungry. I know it was late dinner. I shouldn't have had, but I had to have it because I was really hungry. So it kind of fucked up the digestion. Because you shouldn't be having late dinner. I shouldn't be having late dinners. So I had it. So I've been up since like 5:36, and since I can't sleep, I'm going to the gym. So 8 to 10:30. Yeah.
Hey guys, still good morning. I've come back from the gym. I went from 8 to 10:30. I was in the gym. After that, because there's nothing to eat at home and I had no energy. I was so sleepy. I have a sprain in my lower neck here. It's paining a lot. I don't know why. I think it's largely because of lack of sleep. Because I think I slept about 4 hours last night, and then I woke up at 5:30. I was trying to sleep twirling here and there, but I couldn't sleep. So eventually, I didn't have planned to go for the 8 class, but I went because I couldn't sleep. So I thought let me use the time instead. So 8 to 9 I did a burn session, and after that I did gym for like crunches. I did easy crunches today for half an hour. Then I did a dance class. I couldn't like put all of my energy in because I'm really sleepy. Second I have this damn, there's a lower back sprain for some reason. Then I went to McDonald's for breakfast. I had the chicken and egg McMuffin and another egg and cheese McMuffin. So 2 McMuffins, 1 hash brown, and Americano. That's what I had. But I'm really sleepy. I don't think Americano can stop me from sleeping right now because I'm like. So Mamta is here. She's cleaning the house. Whatever she's doing. She's somewhere in the house. I don't know where the fuck she is right now. And I'm making some chai because I have a headache, so I just have some chai. In the meantime, she'll be done, and then I will take a quick shower. Then sleep for 2 hours. 2 hours. I'll also upload the 3 more reels or shorts left from my stand-up video that I released in April. So 3 only left. So I'm gonna release one of them today, and then I'll sleep for 2 hours. Like I'll close the phone, and I'll tell my family that I'm not available 2 hours. Then I'll sleep for 2 hours, okay? Then in the evening there are 3 shows. 1 at NOC, Nerds of Comedy, and 2 at Kutturi. So that is the plan for today. Good night. You know guys, here's one thing that I think everybody should like in public notice, whatever. Amar late nahi hota. Like 99% of the times Amar late nahi hota. Actually I freak out if somebody is waiting for me because what right do I have to waste anybody's 5 minutes also. So if I'm late, which is like 0.01% of the times, 0.5% of the times at most, like I'll profusely apologize and I'll try to make up for it. I freak out if someone is waiting for me. I have no right to waste anybody's time because our time is our life. Amar late nahi hota. So guys, I was talking about this quote right in the afternoon, that life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. Like talk about it now. I was supposed to be at Guftagu right now because there was shows at 9 and 11. But surprisingly, for a Friday 9 p.m. show, even 11 p.m. show, there are no tickets. For Friday shows, there are no tickets. It almost never happens. So I was going there, but then I didn't feel like going because there are no tickets. So I don't know if the show's happening, will happen or not, because by 8 p.m. there were no tickets for the 9 p.m. show and for the 11 p.m. show also. So, and then I thought, what am I supposed to do now? So then I came to, I thought I'll go to Cyber Hub, and I am in Cyber Hub now, but for the first, like I took a wrong turn. And I don't know where my mind was. I took a wrong turn. and then I got stuck in the office hour rush. So I had to take a U-turn, and then I came back, and finally I'm in Cyber Hub now. So it's all written. My tattoo Maktub, it gives me peace, right? So when I got to know that the show got cancelled, then I got stuck in the jam because I took a wrong turn. It's all written. You know, it was written. It's supposed to be here. There's no plan to be in Cyber Hub right now, but I'm here. So it's all fucking written. So I'm in the Galleria market now, which I was not supposed to be again. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. I was not supposed to be here. I just had a milk truffle. I was not supposed to have it. I was supposed to get Guftagu from about 8:30, when I was supposed to have dinner, till about 11:30. Then I was supposed to go home and just do whatever I had to do at home. But I went to Cyber Hub. I got stuck in a jam. Then I had dinner at KFC. Then I'm in Galleria. And after that, I'm again going to Guftagu. Finally, because the 11 p.m. show is happening. Wow, what an evening. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat anything. I think most likely I'll drink something now because it's too late to eat anything. It's about 10:30 already, and I've already had I didn't have anything with the grilled chicken that I had. So most likely I'll either allow myself a soup. Most likely allow myself a soup, because if I allow myself a peanut butter smoothie, which I'm considering, that'll be sugar. I'll see. Either a soup or a peanut butter smoothie. If there's no sugar in it, I'll check inside. Okay. Hey guys, a day review. This is about 10 minutes to midnight. It's been a funny evening because the show at 9:30 got cancelled. Then 9 o'clock. Then I went to Cyber Hub. I had no plans to go to Cyber Hub. Then I was there in Cyber Hub for about an hour. Then I went to Galleria. I had no plans to go to Galleria. Then the show at 11 got on, so I came back to Guftagu, where I am right now. I just did my spot, and the gym was good in the morning. Tomorrow also I'm hitting the gym in the morning. I did a burn session, which is a full body session, and dance tomorrow. I'm doing burn and biceps. So that's what I'm doing tomorrow morning. 8 and 9 I have gym in the morning, so I should go back and sleep, which I'll do very quick. The day was fine otherwise. I managed my appetite pretty well. I had breakfast at McDonald's. After that I had like lassi, and I had some other drink, and after that I've eaten in the evening, so I'm happy about that. Gym in the morning tomorrow, so yeah, I mean the evening was a fuck up because it totally went away from the plan. I also hosted a show at Nerds of Comedy today, so overall fine, but life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. Cool. So that's about it. I hope you're happy. Try to be happy. This is it. I'm very sleepy. Okay, good night.